birthday to happy birthday to you। बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू।
Happy birthday to you,
ओहो
happy birthday to you,
आहा
happy birthday to you।
बेकरार हो के दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका, बेकरार हो के दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका। क्या मिसाल दूं मैं तेरी, नाम लूं मैं किसका। नहीं नहीं ऐसा हंसी कोई नहीं है, जिस पे ये नजर रुक जाए, बेमिसाल जो कहलाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू।
Happy birthday to you,
ओहो
happy birthday to you,
आहा
happy birthday to you।
औरों की तरह कुछ मैं भी तोहफा आज लाता, औरों की तरह कुछ मैं भी तोहफा आज लाता। मैं तेरी हंसी महफिल में फूल लेके आता, जिन्हें कहा उसे क्या है फूलों की जरूरत, जो बाहर खुद कहलाए, हर गली का दिल धड़काए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू।
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you,
Happy birthday to you।
You are my refuge. You are my fortress. You are my friend in need. You are my God. I will worship you with all of my heart. I will seek your face all through my night.
To have Father Pauli as our guiding light and mentor. Under his leadership, our school has achieved so much, and we all are incredibly grateful for his dedication and hard work.
Now, to mark this joyous occasion, we have a special treat, a beautifully decorated cake, a symbol of sweetness, unity, and joy. We invite our respected principal, Reverend Father Pauli, for cutting of the cake. I request Father to cut the cake. Dear students,
tenure, the school has progressed. He gives emphasis on the academic holistic growth of the children. Along with the academic, he is also see that the extracurricular activities are performed in the school, by which the students get the platform to develop their skills in various ways. So this was a short introduction about father.
Thank you, sir.
This morning is about joy and celebration. We are here to wish our father a very happy birthday, and we are going to do it with laughter and music. Let's make this morning to remember a morning filled with love and appreciation for the wonderful person that father is for all of us. Let us welcome the pre-primary section students with their dance. They are here to show how much they love our beloved principal.
Today, as we celebrate the Manager's Day, Principal's Day, the birthday of your principal, as you know, you have expressed the happiness and that you have shown that you are participating in the happiness of my birthday. It is true, the celebrations are there, and these celebrations are marked and reminds us that we are the creation of that same Lord and same God. God has created us in a unique manner to perform ourselves in this world as far as we live. And each birthday we grow. And God gives us the time the next year to do something good and better. As I stand here to express myself, my gratitude towards you, I thank in a special way the supervisor sister, Miss Mary, all the teachers, all the on the stage, behind the stage, all those who have performed, though we are in the final exam mood, the exams are going on. Though we are having this celebration, but this type of celebrations also help us to study more. Somebody asked me yesterday, one of the students asked me, Father, what gift you want? I did not say anything. I said, I will answer you on my birthday. So now it's the time to answer. What gift can be given to the principal? There are thousands of gifts. We can buy the gift of 1 rupee also. We can buy the gift of 1 lakh rupees also. And you can buy the gift of 1 crore of rupees also. All are the gifts. But when you die, you buy the gift and they give. All those who are given and the receiver feels very happy. But today the question, what gift can be given to the principal as a student? So I will tell you, if at all you want to give the gift to the principal, think always, whenever you sit in the classroom, see that it is your second home. School is your second home, and I will study, I will behave nicely, I will become good, better and best boy of this school. That is the best gift to the principal. That is the best gift to the principal. One of the teachers asked me, for the gift, what gift you want tomorrow on your birthday? I just kept quiet. Today I would like to answer the teacher. what gift can be given to the principal. The teacher can give the gift to the principal. The main thing, the teacher can remain sincere to his teaching. Going time in the classroom, teaching the child in the proper manner, considering the students in the class as if his own son and daughter. Coming in time to the school, 9:55 is the school start. The teacher really loves the principal and wants to give the gift. The teacher should come to the school by 8:45. 8:45. Participate. Maybe it is not possible this year. Next year you can give that gift to me. Next year you can give this gift to me because I want this type of gifts for myself. Those gifts will remain forever and ever. So my dear, all my dear teachers, all my dear students, don't worry about this type of worldly gifts. I need a spiritual gift. That is a pray for me. Pray for your school. Pray for your diocese. Pray for your parish. Pray for the students that we can become the really pillars of this school. I don't want to take much time. I know it is a time. You have to answer the paper. Once again, my sincere thanks goes to each and everyone. Each and everyone. From the students of nursery to students of 10th standard, though they are not here. The Anand sir is exactly blasting the thing on my particular words. And he is giving the assurance that it is really should happen. All should be each and every, those who are there in the campus, those who are passed out, all should be happy. This is not the happiness of alone me, it's the happiness of everybody. So once again, my sincere thanks goes to each and every teacher, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, all my tiny friends from the nursery, all the nursery teachers, all the still the 10th standard students, though they are not there, I do remember them. And everybody, my special thanks goes to each and everyone. Have a nice day.
To stand before you today to express our heartfelt thanks on this special occasion of our beloved principal's birthday. First and foremost, I would like to extend our deepest gratitude to our esteemed principal for being a guiding light to us all. Your leadership, vision and dedication have transformed our school into a place of excellence, where every student can thrive. On this special day, we are not just celebrating your birthday. Your countless ways have shaped our lives and our future. To our principal, we wish you good health, happiness and continued success in all that you do. May this year bring you even greater achievements and may you continue to inspire us with your wisdom and compassion. A big thank you to all the staff and the students who have come together to make today a memorable celebration. Your efforts in organizing this event have made this day even more special. Lastly, I would like to thank everyone present for their warm wishes and participation today. It's because of all of you this event has been such a success. Thank you and may our principal's journey continue to be filled with joy and fulfillment. Happy birthday, Father.